Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez, and today I'm going to show you how to bake a pineapple upside down cake, which I already have it here. So this is the outcome of what I did earlier, and let's begin. Okay, first we're going to sift the brown sugar. I put 1/3 cup brown sugar, and before actually we have to do that, I already have the 2 tablespoons butter here. So it would be easier for this to look like the one we have here if there's butter before we put the sugar. So sometimes some people they just sprinkle it here, but I rather have a sifter so this is balanced. Let's just start by doing that, and I just use my finger on this, and so at least I can see that everything is covered. And whenever there's an excess, I just put it aside too. But it's better to have this like sifted. So I also have here the pineapple slices, and we're going to put that in our cake. And so now that everything is covered, we are going to put the pineapple. So let's set this aside. And here's the pineapple. I have 8 slices here. You can either use the fresh pineapple or the canned pineapple. So we're just putting one in the center, in which I also did here on my right side. So we'll just arrange it, and we'll just keep putting this. And by the way, I'm using this time a smaller baking pan. So because right now what is on my right side, this is a bigger pan, so we have here the 1-inch cake, which is this one that I use. But since we're using this, we're gonna have at least a 2 inches cake. So this is done. We're setting this aside because once the butter is done, we're also transferring it here, and we have to bake it for 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. And if your oven is older, maybe you have to add more, let's say 10 more minutes. So we're setting this aside. Now we have here the 2 cups of all-purpose flour. What we're going to do, we are adding the baking powder. I have 1 tablespoon baking powder that we're going to sift together with the flour, and also the 1 tablespoon salt. Yeah, you can also use at least just 1/2 or 1 teaspoon. So we have the salt, and we'll mix it a bit. We are also sifting it for at least just one sifting, or you can also do 2. So we're just sifting it quickly. So now that this is sifted, we are going to do the egg and also the butter. So we'll also set this aside for now. I have here 1/2 cup butter. So we're going to put the egg and also the sugar in here once this is light and fluffy. So first we have so it's showing like this. And now we're going to add the sugar. I have here 2/3 cup of sugar. this is now light and fluffy. We're adding the eggs. I have 2 eggs in here. You just add one at a time. Then you also have to add the 1/2 tablespoon vanilla. Now we're going to add, everything is mixed, we're going to add the flour. So we have to alternate it with the syrup that I got from the pineapple slices. If you are using the fresh pineapple, you can just add 1 cup water instead of the 1 cup syrup from the pineapple. So now we just have to mix this. This is our batter right now. And once this is thoroughly mixed, then we're going to transfer it there with the pineapple. So we have to, of course, don't forget to preheat your oven. It has to be on 350 degrees Celsius. And so we're putting it there once this is mixed. So we're just gonna remove this and have it here. It's very simple and it doesn't take long to do it. So you just have to put the butter in here, a mixture of the butter and also the dry ingredients that I showed you before, and you just do it like this. And then we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. So once this is baked, it will be at least 2 inches, because right now you're looking at this one I have here on my right side. It's a bit bigger, so it's at least 1 inch in height. So this is what we have right now. As you can see, we have here to be put in the oven, and also we have the finished product. So I hope you enjoyed my show, and I will see you again next time. And so I'm going to show next time another appetizing and delicious baked goods. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.